This 2024 Grand Design Momentum 414M is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new grand design is 46 feet 4 inches in length and features Sleep's 9, LP detector, microwave, skylight, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, stovetop burner, spare tire kit, external shower, awning, refrigerator, and 140 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, U-shaped kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Momentum 414M is 16,800 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.